afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Test of Oral Past Question. Question number 7. So I yesterday uses the same instruction. So we should look out for the option that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word. The given word here is pronounced as kenu, not kenu as people pronounce it, and letter E is underlined, kenu. So the letter E sound as u, long u takes long u pronunciation. The option A is pronounced as truce. So by transcription we have long u here. The option B is pronounced as poo. Option C is pronounced as dear. What we have there is vowel number 12 called sure. The option D is pronounced as sure. So what we have here is, so that is, so by this transcription the correct option is option A, because it has the same vowel sound as in the given word, which is long u. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.